Hello there, Christina with Live Fit Yoga. Thanks for being here. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day or evening. Such a pleasure to be here. Have your yoga mat ready, a nice non-slip towel, and your water, and we'll get started right now. Today we're going to get started on our backs in Shavasana. Lengthen your legs long in front of you. Reach your arms forward. Slowly descend on to your spine. And you may reach your arms overhead or by your sides. Kiss your shoulder blades underneath you. Feel rooted to your mat. Feel supported by the earth beneath you. Close your eyes. Ground down. Feel the present moment. Begin to gaze inward, scanning your body, physical body, mental state. Take a nice, full, rich inhale. Open mouth, exhale. Again, fill all the way up, breathing in through your nose. Fill up your belly, feel it rise. And exhale, deflate your belly, feel it soften. And take a few more rounds of breath, just breathing on your own. Keeping a nice long pace, long inhales and long exhales. Deepening our breath helps us build presence in our practice, helps push out thoughts, helps us really focus in on what's to come, our practice, helps prepare the mind, the body. The breath also energizes the muscles, sending oxygen to areas of the body, muscles, heart, the belly. Energizes our minds. The next breath cycle, close your mouth, begin to ignite your Ujjayi breathing. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Nice nasal exhale, constrict your throat muscles. Drag the breath across, creating an oceanic sound. Again, Ujjayi inhale. Ujjayi exhale. Let a few more rounds of breath. Inhale, lift your right leg high. Exhale, hamstring stretch. Interlace all 10 fingers at your knee crease. Pull your thigh towards you. You may pull your thigh to the outside of your rib cage with a soft micro bend to your right knee. Readjust your shoulders. Nice gentle pull. Feel that nice stretch from the glute up into the knee crease. You may point and flex at your ankle if you'd like. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, release it down long. Inhale, lift your left leg. Exhale, hamstring stretch. Interlace all 10 fingers at your knee crease. Keep lengthening your right leg. Pull your thigh towards you or to the left of your rib cage. Soft micro bend to your right knee if you desire. Be sure your shoulders are nice and wide here. Feel your heart elevate. Take movements with your ankle. Good. Inhale, lift your left leg, point your toe. Exhale, release it down. Pull your knees into your rib cage. Take a full breath in. Exhale, simple twist to the right as you extend through both hands and arms. Inhale back through center. Exhale, simple twist to the left. And inhale, center. Exhale, place both feet on the earth, hip width distance. Lengthen your arms next to you. Inhale, bridge pose. Lift your hips up and breathe here as you energize through your hamstrings. Feel strength building in your quads as you press your hips higher towards the ceiling here. Press into your shoulder blades. Energetically drag your heels towards your glutes to energize your hamstrings. Nice full breath in. Exhale, slowly lower down. Inhale, hug your knees into your chest. Exhale, rock and roll the length of your spine. Kick your legs off to either side. Inhale, tabletop. At the middle of your mat, push your hands into your mat and breathe here. Think of your legs and your hands, arms as tables for, rather as legs for a table. Legs for a table. So stack your joints. Plug your belly in nice and tight. Feel your spine lengthening as you reach the crown of your head forward. Inhale, cow pose. Dip your belly towards your mat. Internally rotate at your elbows, press your heart forward, lift your gaze. Exhale, cat pose, press into the mat so much, feeling your shoulder blades separate, hug your belly in tight. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Good. Inhale, cow. And exhale, cat. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward facing dog. Send your hips to the sky. Stay light on the balls of your feet. Soft micro bend to your knees. Melt your heart towards your thighs. Begin to straighten your knees out. Inhale, lift your heels. Exhale, press your heels down. And stretching from the Achilles up into the hamstrings. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press. Inhale, lift. Exhale, press. Inhale, look forward. Exhale, Ragdoll Uttanasana. Walk your feet to the top of your mat. Keep your feet wide. Allow your torso to drape heavy in between your thighs. Grab opposite elbows, sway side to side. Hang as heavy as you can. Release your hands to the earth. Slowly rise on up. Mountain pose Tadasana. Reach your arms overhead. Adjust your feet accordingly. Keep them where they are or walk your feet in to press your big toes to touch if you'd like. Knit your lower ribs in and breathe. Lengthen through your fingertips. Take your right hand to your left wrist. Inhale as you reach up. Exhale, side bend to the right. Bump your hips over to the left. Keep framing your biceps to your ears as you lengthen and reach. Inhale, mountain. Grab your right hand. Exhale, side bend to the left. Keep both shoulders and hips square to the front wall. Bump your hips over to the right. Create length and space in your right side body. I know how you must feel. It's like a million. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, standing back bend. Bend your elbows. Squeeze your glutes to protect your lower back. Lift out of your heart. Pinch your shoulder blades behind you to expand and broaden across your chest and shoulders. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, standing forward fold. Connect your hands. Hinge at your hips. Soft micro bend. Hang nice and heavy. Micro bend to your knees. Inhale, halfway lift. Take your hands to the front of your legs and breathe. Shift weight into your toes to fire up your hamstrings. Keep your hamstrings working. Keep reaching the crown of your head forward as you plug your belly in, creating length in your spine and neck. Full breath in. Exhale, squat and curl. Lift your heels off the earth. Dome your shoulder blades. Bring your chin as close to your heart as you can. As you bring your chin towards your heart, feel that separation at your neck and that separation at your shoulder blades and scalp. Ground your heels to your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, mountain. Grab your left wrist. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, center. Grab your right wrist. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, squat and crawl. Release your feet down to your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. And one more time through. Inhale, mountain pose. Grab your left wrist. Exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, mountain. Grab your right wrist. Exhale, side bend to the left. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank. Take your hands to your mat. Step your feet back hip width distance. Press energy out of your heels, lengthening the back side of your legs. Stack your shoulders over your wrists. Take a full breath in. Stay for the exhale. Another breath in. Exhale, downward facing dog. Send your hips to the sky. Now, friends, you can always add chaturanga into your practice if it is in your practice. Pedal it out. Let's move into sun salutation B. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your right leg. Drive your heel up to the sky. Exhale, low lunge. Drop your right knee down to your mat. Inhale, crescent moon. Reach up and lengthen. Sinking deep into your right knee. Stretch out at your left hip flexor. Full breath in. Stay for the exhale. Good, another breath in. Exhale, half splits. Sit your booty back towards your heel. Flex your right foot to your face. Dig your right heel into your mat and avoid dumping into your left side hip significantly. Draw your weight over to the right just a tad. Fold deep with every inhale and exhale, attempting to bring your belly as close to your knee as you can. Nice full breath in. Full breath out. Inhale, crescent moon, reach up and lengthen. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, standing split, shift the weight into your right leg, kick your left leg up. Pull your left leg in towards your right. Keep your left foot flexed, keep lengthening and reaching the crown of your head down to produce more of a stretch through the back side leg. Full breath in. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank. You may take chaturanga or hold high plank to build core strength. Inhale, upward facing dog if you've taken chaturanga. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Drive your heel up to the sky. Exhale, low lunge. Step your left foot forward and through. Drop your knee to your mat. Inhale, crescent moon. Reach up to the sky as you breathe. Press your hips forward, still reaching up, but relaxing your shoulders. Energize through your midline. Open up your heart. Sink deep into your left knee as you produce a nice stretch through the right hip flexor. Nice full breath in. Stay for the exhale. One more inhale. Exhale, half splits. Fingertips to your mat. Sit your booty back. Straighten your left knee. Press your left heel into your mat to produce a stretch at the dorsal side of your left leg. Notice your weight distribution here. Pull your weight slightly over to the left hip to avoid dumping all of your weight into your right hip. Use Use your breath to fold as deep as you can. Breathing in and out deeply. Disregarding any discomfort you may have, using your breath to stay present, focusing on the positive, all the positive changes that are happening in your body. Inhale, crescent moon, bend your left knee, reach up. Exhale, low lunge, hands or fingertips to your mat, lift your right leg. Good job. Inhale, standing splits. Breathe here as you kick your right leg up. Pull your right inner thigh in towards your left. Create an L shape with your legs. Now, if you're super bendy flexy and you'd like to lift the right leg higher, just be sure your hips stay as square as possible. So internal rotation of your right thigh up towards the sky. Pull your chin as close to your knee as you can. Deep breath in. Exhale, forward fold. Step your right foot to meet your left. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank. And we meet in downward facing dog when you're ready. Nice full breath in. Full breath out. Flowing breath to movement. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your right leg. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, half split. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, standing split. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high to low plank, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Full breath in. Full breath out. Inhale, three-legged down dog, lift your left leg. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, half split. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, standing split. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, squat and curl. And drop on down to your booty. Have a little bit of water. Take a little break, a nice well-deserved break here. We'll take that through one more time, sprinkling in just a few minor adjustments and changes. Great work. Come to the middle of your mat. Inhale, tabletop. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your right leg. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, half split. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, standing split. Exhale, one Shiva squat. Bend both knees. Connect your kneecap to your right knee crease. Curl up into a small ball. Get as small as you can. Inhale, standing split. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Here's another change. Inhale, chair pose, Utkatasana. Bend your knees. Frame your biceps to your ears. Sink weight into your heels, energizing your hamstrings, building quad strength. Rip the mat apart with your feet. Energize through the knife edges of your feet to turn on your outer glutes. Reach up through your fingertips while simultaneously relaxing your shoulders down away from your face. Take a nice deep breath in and stay for the exhale. Good, one more breath in. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high to low plank, chaturanga, or high plank back to down dog. Catch your breath. Relax. Inhale, three-legged down dog, lift your left leg. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, half split. Inhale, crescent moon. Exhale, low lunge. Inhale, standing split. Exhale, Shiva squat, bend both knees. Think squat and curl. Bring your knee to your knee crease. Get small. Inhale, standing splits. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose, Utkatasana, one more time. Reach up through your hands. Bend your knees a lot. Distribute your weight back into your hamstrings and glutes. Keep plugging your belly in nice and tight to keep a long, straight spine, removing any type of arch or curvature in your back. Reach your fingertips high to energize through your hands. Nice full breath in. Exhale, Samastitihi, return, or rather, release your hands to heart center. Close your eyes. Stand up nice and tall with your elbows extended. And blink your eyes open. Release your hands down by your side. Take a little break here. Now, we've completed Sun Salutation B. We're going to move into a balancing series on our feet, and then we'll be down on our mats for the rest of class, on our bellies and on our back. All right. So at the top of your mat, inhale, chair pose. Exhale, eagle on the left. Swing your left arm underneath your right. Cross at your elbows. Connect your hands or hands to your shoulders. Sink deep into your knees, so chair legs. Lift your left leg up and over your right leg, crossing at your knees. You can kickstand your toe, releasing your big toe down, or single or double wrap at your feet. Keep your back as straight as can be with your shoulders stacked above your hips. Then work your forearms forward to stretch out your upper back. Good, compress and squeeze, get small. Deep breath in. Stay for the exhale. Good, keep the eagle arms. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana with eagle arms. Bend your left knee, energize your right leg, squeeze your right glute to stabilize your lower back and your pelvic floor. Press your elbows and forearms forward. Breathe in. Exhale, eagle arm airplane. Kick your left leg behind you. Flex your foot. And once you find a comfortable stand with your right foot, you feel balance, pull your forearms away from your shoulders. And pull your left thigh in towards the right, so think standing splits in your leg. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Okay, we're going to return to one-legged Tadasana with eagle arms. You strengthen your right leg. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana with eagle arms. Good job. One more time. Exhale, eagle arm airplane. You can do it. Oh, so much strength in that right thigh and glute. Yes. Good job. Good. Inhale, mountain pose. Release your left foot down. Reach up through your hands. Exhale, Samastitihi. Hands to heart center. Nice work. Beautiful job, yogis. You are so strong. All right. Release your hands by your side. Touch out your knees. We'll take it through on the left. Inhale, chair pose, rather on the right. Exhale, eagle on the right. Swing your right arm underneath your left. Sit low in your chair. Lift your right leg up and over. Crossing at your ankles, kickstand your toe like I just did, or single wrap, bringing your foot next to your shin, or if your foot can come behind your shin at your calf, that is your alternative. Compress at your knees, your inner thighs, Lift your elbows in one line with your shoulders. Pull your shoulders over your hips. And then press your forearms forward. We're getting deep into the shoulders and upper back stretch. Imagine you're sliding down a back wall. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, compress and squeeze. Keep your eagle arms. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana with eagle arms. Bend your right knee. Build strength in your left glute and your left quad. And as you squeeze your glute, you'll stabilize your pelvic floor, your lower back. Flex your right toes to your face. Take a full breath in. Exhale, eagle arm airplane. Take your time. Feel free to take a soft micro bend to your left knee as you kick your right leg back. Then pull your right inner thigh towards your left. Pull your forearms and elbows down, and you'll feel that nice stretch at your shoulders and upper back. Gaze down at your thumbs. Think L shape with your legs. And then we'll take that back through. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana, eagle arm. Exhale, eagle arm airplane. Really nice job. Take your time. If you fall out, that's okay. Release your toes to your mat. No worries. Keep squeezing your lower belly in for stability. Inhale, one-legged Tadasana with eagle arms. Now, friends, I already took a yoga class or taught a yoga class this morning, so my balance is looking pretty good, right? I'm nice and warm. So non-judgment here in your practice. Maybe you're on point today. Maybe you're a little wobbly. That's okay. Acknowledge where you're at and have compassion and grace. And inhale, mountain pose. Exhale, Samastitihi. Good job. Release your hands down to your side. Cha-cha out your knees. Beautiful work. All right. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, standing back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, high plank. And slowly lower down to your belly. We have a few spine strengthening exercises here. Keep your hands as they are. Press the top of your feet to your mat. Pull your elbows into your rib cage. Inhale, baby cobra. Lift your hands, your kneecaps, and breathe. Begin to lift your chest away from the mat as you press the top of your feet onto your mat, firmly using your back muscles to lift. Take a full breath in. Exhale, release your left ear down to your mat. Bring your arms by your sides. And we'll get an opportunity to stretch out the hip flexors. Take your hands next to you with your elbows pulled in. And then inhale, full cobra, push up. Soften your elbows. Adjust your hands accordingly. I like to walk my hands in a little bit closer. Peel your hip flexor away from the earth. Take a nice breath in. Then exhale, turn your gaze to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn your head to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower down to your belly. And bring your arms out to a T. Rather, bring your right ear to your mat to start. My apologies. Right ear to your mat. Close your eyes. Let's balance out both sides. All right, we took that right ear to the mat. Now we're taking, rather, the left ear to the mat. Now we're taking the right ear to the mat. Inhale, bring your chin back to center. Exhale, extend your arms out to a T. Inhale, locust. Lift your arms and legs. As you breathe, roll onto the soft part of your belly and your rib cage. Lift your hands and your legs as high as they can go, pinching your shoulder blades together. Full breath in. And then exhale, release your hands down to your mat. Inhale, high plank, push up using your core strength and shoulder strength. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good work. Good. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Lift your right leg. Exhale, half pigeon. Bring your knee to your right wrist. Drop your left knee down, sit up nice and tall, take a deep breath in. Exhale, sleeping pigeon. Release your forearms, your hands to your mat. Keep lengthening your spine. Notice as you reach the crown of your head forward, you can centralize your weight, pulling that weight out of the right hip. So redistributing your weight so that both hips are nice and square and even. On your inhale, walk your hands back underneath your shoulders, push up to your hands. Exhale, tuck your toes, lift your knee. Inhale, three-legged down dog, kick your right leg up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, three-legged down dog, lift your left leg. Exhale, half pigeon, bring your knee to your wrist. Drop your back leg down to your mat, sit up tall as you breathe. Exhale, sleep your pigeon. Bring your arms forward, reaching forward, grounding your elbows to your mat. Keep your neck long. As you feel your spine start to grow and lengthen, you'll redistribute your weight just a little bit towards the right in your midline. Gently press up to your hands, releasing the palms of your hands underneath your shoulders. Good. Inhale. Exhale, lift your knee, tuck your toes. Inhale, three-legged down dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Pedal it out. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, forward fold. Travel to the top of your mat. Next, last one. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, squat and curl. Get small. Take your balance challenge if that is what is calling to you. Release your hands to your mat. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, forward fold. Inhale, mountain pose. Last one. Exhale, back bend. Inhale, mountain. Exhale, standing forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, squat and curl. And then slowly descend down to your booty. Walk your booty back so it is at the middle of your mat. Lengthen your legs in front of you. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, seated forward fold. Reach forward. Hinge forward, hinge at your hips. Paschimottanasana. As you lead with your heart, bring your hands to your feet or the sides of your feet on your mat. Inhale, slowly rise on up. Then exhale, slowly descend to your back. Same exact way we started class. Hug your belly in tight. Inhale, wall to wall stretch. Exhale, happy baby. Bend your knees to the outside of your rib cage. Flex your feet. Take your hands inside or outside the arches of your feet. Stay perfectly still or rock side to side. Feel that nice massage on your spine. Ninja kick your baby is an alternative. Straightening your knees. You may close your eyes for the rest of class. Let inhale, hug your knees into your chest. Exhale, curl up into a ball. Compress and squeeze. Release your shoulders down. Inhale, legs up the wall. Lift your legs directly above your hips. Let's flex and point. So we really work the back side of the legs today. The calves, hamstrings, and Achilles. This should feel really nice. Take circles here. Just pointing and flexing. Opposite way. Find stillness. Inhale, hug your knees in. Exhale, simple twist to the right. Reach your arms out to a T. Let both legs fall over to the right. Lengthen your left side body from your armpit down your IT band. Using strength from your belly, inhale, energetically pull your knees back through center. Exhale, simple twist to the left. Release your left outer thigh and your left outer shin to your mat. Take your gaze to your right hand. Energetically pull your knees back through center. Breathe in. Exhale. Squeeze and compress. Bring your forearms to your shins. Lift your shoulders away from your mat. Curl up into your small ball. Take one rich inhale. Exhale, Shavasana, final resting pose. Lengthen your arms and your legs. Nice and long. Find stillness in your mind. Stillness in your body. Unclench your jaw. Release your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Find your peace. Find thoughtlessness. Find your meditative breathing. Enjoy these next several moments in Shavasana. Take this time for you. Stay as present as you possibly can. Yogis, if your body, mind, and heart are telling you to stay, then please stay in Shavasana for as long as you desire. If you feel complete, balanced, and ready to move on, begin to energize through your fingertips, toes. Work your way up to your wrists, your ankles. Bend at your elbows. Internally rotate your legs. Externally rotate. Bring your chin from shoulder to shoulder, right to left, left to right. If you'd like, inhale wall-to-wall stretch. Breathe as you reach your arms up above your shoulders. Detach your spine from your mat. Stretch out your front line, your belly. Take one more breath in. Exhale, fetal pose. Bend your knees. Roll onto your favorite side. Use your shoulder as a pillow to support your ear. When you are ready, come to a comfortable seated position, either on your knees or on your glutes. Easy pose, Sukhasana. Connect your hands at heart center. Extend through your elbows. Sit up tall, proud, and strong. Bring your thumbs to your forehead. Thank you so much for allowing me the space, the opportunity to guide you through your practice. It was truly an honor. I humbly bow to you, from my heart to yours. Namaste.